Welcome back to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solution, your channel go-to source for the latest trend in home decor. If you are looking to transform your space into a heaven of style and comfort, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into interior design trends, inviting spaces and eye-catching accents. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different style trends and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour, ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you these 40 fabulous ideas for creating a contemporary modern style in your apartment. So without further ado, let's get into it. As I already said, here we curated a collection of 40 stunning interiors that embody the essence of modern living. From the heart of your home, the living room, to the private retreat of your bedroom, we'll explore how to infuse personality and interest into every corner. After all, modern interior design trends are continually evolving, reflecting contemporary lifestyles and the desire for homes that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. One of the most prominent trends in interior design today is the creation of inviting spaces that exude warmth and comfort. This approach prioritizes the harmony between form and function, ensuring that every room in the home is both practical and visually engaging. In the modern living, the infusion of personality into every corner of a home is paramount. This can be achieved through the use of eye-catching accents that serve as focal point within a space. These accents can range from bold artwork and statement furniture pieces to unique lighting fixtures and vibrant textiles. The key is to strike a balance between understating elegance and striking elements that draw attention and spark conversation. Ultimately, modern interior design is about creating spaces that reflect individual tastes and preferences while also embracing the latest trends. By thoughtfully combining inviting spaces with eye-catching accents, homeowners can craft environments that are both stylish and personal, making every moment spent at home a truly enjoyable experience. As you can see, from the heart of minimalism to the boldness of maximalist designs, our curated selection showcases a diverse range of styles that cater to every taste. Whether you are looking to revamp your living space or just seeking inspiration, this video is your getaway to the latest in interior design. So watch this video until the end. because you will get inspired. You will fuel your creativity with cutting-edge designs. You will stay updated. You will keep up with the evolving world of interior design. You will make informed decisions. Our expert insight will help you choose the right trends for your space. Don't forget, each of these 14 interiors featured in this video has been carefully selected to inspire and excite you. We delve into the detail that make each space unique, from inviting textures to eye-catching accents that transform a house into a home. As we wrap up our tour of these inviting spaces and eye-catching accents, remember that your home is a canvas for your creativity. Whether you are drawn to the minimalism of Scandi chic or the warmth of boho vibes, there is a trend waiting for you to make it your own. If you love this idea, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite trend. Until next time, keep making your space a place you love to live in. See you in the next video. Bye!